Tell them what you're doing right now.
Steamers.
Why are you mixing it?
Just a story to make everything steam evenly.
Okay.
I'm mad, man. It's my baby.
Don't you think it's normal to put a newborn in a car and go somewhere if you have to go somewhere?
You know, if you have him all over the place, he no need to be all over the place. Him young and him no need for a drop or no a drop in a pothole and him something. Jerk up. That's
So-
why them things that make him puke up.
He can puke up just laying on the bed.
Well, he not puke up with me, yo. Uncle Luna alone have a problem with the baby. I ain't got no problem with the baby because the baby don't get no trouble.
Look at him turning his neck.
The baby don't get no trouble.
Turn around.
The baby chill and relax and only just you're too rough with the baby. That's what happened with you. Then you want bad body him up. You make all him shirt wet.
I got you on camera.
Hey, got some food. I came in 3 o'clock this morning to make it.
You did?
Yeah, it's still warm.
You meant 4 o'clock this morning?
It's some
4:30.
gungo rice and peas with some roast, some veggie on the side, some cucumber.
Let's establish the time you
I'm
came
gonna
in.
stop feeding you because you're not taking care of my baby.
What do you mean? I just did our son's hair
I ain't
and
gonna turn
bathed
it up
him.
so high.
He's fine.
Why y'all turn it so high? Then? Yesterday they should put it on 4.
Put it back on 3, please. I gotta give him a bath.
What my Jamaican husband makes for dinner. So this is my daughter's. This one's for me. No rice for me because, you know, I'm trying to get those pounds off ASAP. For himself, the big thing. And for our son, baby tree. Yeah, see, she's yamming that down.